Well, today I want to show you a product that's going to protect your battery packs, your small generators and inverters. And look at this. It all comes in this handy pack. Let's take a look. This is made by Benville. This is essentially what it is a little pop-up tent that's going to go right over the top. Bingo, just like that. So what we got here is a little tent. And this is going to go, as you can see, it even has a bottom. So we can simply place our inverter or generator inside, and as you can see, it has the front window. Now the front window, it has a zipper, so this could be all zipped up, and yet you can still see, your power, fuel, and all that. Now, the back side is the same way, and actually all four sides. So, really depending upon, the setup in your camp, it's very versatile. So, each one has the window. So, if you're running a gas generator, you just simply would open up that panel there and let the exhaust come out. But what a great way to protect your, like I said, battery pack or inverters and generators from rain and snow while you're camping. And it just pops right up. And again, you could just fold it right up and put it in that nice handy travel bag. Great little unit.